sleepy face. Oh my gosh. Oh, you do that? Look down by your nose. Alright guys, so today we are going to do a video talk about childhood trauma. And it might be a long video, so we're maybe gonna split up this video and let you know what happened to us as a child. So stick around and we'll be right back. Liam?
Take it easy. You want all of the focus upon you.
What that mean?
You lean the camera in your direction.
What that's supposed to mean?
And then you want me in the video.
Then in the video, yes.
If you want me in your video,
Put the camera on you.
feature me.
Cockroach. Alright. Let's stack up the things up now. So our topic today is
Who bring our food? in this. Right us right now. Who bring our food?
that is a question, guys. I guess you have to put it in the comment section below. Who bring off who? Put it in the comment section below. That's a question.
I know say I'm going to win this.
Alright. We'll see about that. Alright. So today's story is a childhood trauma. Like, name something where actually make you feel sad, or right up to when you are full in knowledge and understanding, and explain what make it traumatize you as a child.
Who you talk to?
You.
So say I look.
Let me have a look for the camera. Have a look on the camera, babe.
You know, it used to traumatize me as a kid growing up, as a child growing up.
Yeah.
It's on a Sunday. When I see my mother with I'm going to call it now. On a Sunday, when I see my mother a wash with the yard full of clothes, and she a wash, you know, say that the Sunday there, she go wash the whole day. And guess what?
You not get no food?
I get food.
Oh.
But my sister go cook. She a cook a little bit of food. When I come in and say, you know, there was so much clothes in our cook. I say, no man. Such and such I go cook. I don't know if I call her name.
No name calling.
My mother say, your sister go cook. And I tell her, when she tell me that, I ball the whole day. Because I know say, food I got a little bit. And food, I don't play when it come on to food. Them time the worse. I don't play now, but it's way worse than time that. Yeah man, so anytime I hear so my sister go cook, man, I ball the whole day because the food I got a little bit. Sometimes, oh, if me didn't know, me da cook the whole of the rice, you know. And, you know, and sometimes I have 2 pounds of rice, you know. She don't cook the whole of the rice. Yo, I said, that's something you used to burn me, you know. I said, today is Sunday, you couldn't just cook the whole of the rice. Watch you look at me again. And I never remember, you know, me did have to share out somebody, you know. And me did have to take out some out of that one and take out some out of that one. Them ball living in the water on a Sunday. We said, yeah, come in now and say, my mother in the kitchen and she go cook. Happy, man. I go roll down, you know. You know, I'm full of confidence. Because I know, say, food, I go get enough food. Food I go left over in a pot. You can get food for tea, I can tea for food. My little brother, them I go eat and left. And I can go eat when they eat and left. And then we're there, you know. I know my belly I go full. But when my sister cook, a drought, shortage, people ball. No food, no left. When you go, when you whap it on a pot empty. Pot empty.
You know, I just talk about food.
No full.
I just talk about food, but this never traumatized me still. But my story when me have traumatized me, I got talk about it. But I just talk about food. I remember growing up as a child and my little uncle, you know, man.
Your little uncle?
Yeah, the smaller uncle. My smallest uncle by my grandmother's side. Yeah. But mama last son. And like, you see, like when a mango season, you know, you may find one. June it drew to you because I saw them always say July lie growing and August of ag. So like in a May now when you find 1 and 2 mango.
Country words and then
yeah. May you may find one. June it drew to you, July it lie growing and August of hag. So August nobody no want the mango because a pure worm in it. So we eat the whole heap because in July every mango the pan ground like nothing. So you just go under the tree and pick up mango. You don't even wash mango them time there, no brother. You just go bite mango, go mango bush, bite mango, pick mango, eat mango. That's how we used to do it. But anyways, my uncle, when May time come in and you can't find 1 and 2 mango, my uncle, we pick off the mango them and carry them come give away and swap it out for with food. Because in go a bush go full in belly, you know. And when dinner time come now, we take up all with dumpling and meat. Yo, me no want no dumpling now, meat me want. And we give him the whole of the meat just so he give with the mango. And by the time we cut the mango appear worm. So we neither get with meat, nor get mango. But that not traumatize me. That just funny. Just every time I remember it, I always laugh. But let me get to you what traumatized me as a child. I remember one time we are with neighbor. Actually, you know, everybody used to come together and them there at my house. And a group always sit down, you know, as little pitney, and this guy named Belly them call him. Because me in the group, because he was like a little troublemaker, you know, and him get trouble, you know, when me say him get trouble. So, him in the group and him easy in bottom, you know.
Him fat.
Alright, so...
He's bottom.
Alright, so in fact, I use it like that.
And boss a fat.
And when him do it, you know, stink up the place, you know, but through me, I'm one like a Kingston, you know, I'm just coming out the country, come live and thing. So, him pick, them always tend to pick on me. So when him do it now in the crowd now, everybody I say, Jesus, I was smell someone who fart and smell and stink up the place. I say, and then him give out now. Somebody win. Are you know, Dana? Are you know? So, them time them used to shy and Freddy, you know. And he say, somebody win and it stink. I said, Bomba, me get a name for somebody. Are you Dana? Win stink your name now. Win stink your name. Yo, I don't know me, you know. I know me. I never me. I him. And from...
Oh, you know, say.
Because him talk afterwards, yeah, him. But you know, everything them used to give people nickname them time there. Him talk afterwards, yeah, him. I remember me tell you see which part me grew up? It traumatized me. It traumatized me because as big as the town is of Frankfield, how much in people down there used to call me that. Wind stink. People used to call me poop stink. That time I know me no, I mean a little pitney, you know, just come from town, you know, that time me about 7 years old, you know, man. And them change it up and call it all kind of something. You see, when I go over Lampard Cross Road, oh God, man. Me used to afraid to go up on the road because I'm afraid of the name. It used to, when I tell you, say, it traumatized me. Me used to bawl, me used to hide in a bush. And when them send me go a shop, me no want to go because I'm afraid of the name. And everybody just, like, not everybody, but most of the boy pitting them, basically, call me. Oh God, man. It was very, very, very traumatizing for me as a child. For that name. For some reason, I don't know. I just think, say, maybe because me did new one, me not understand them something because me did just come from Kingston. You know, me born at Kingston. So I grew up at Kingston to a certain age. And when me at 8, me go to country. So for them now start to pin nickname for me and me not aware and me not understand it. And then knowing say never me is my bottom and feel pin the name for me.
Never you fart.
Right? And feel pin the name for me.
Poop.
And let me tell you something, you know. Growing up, you know, them did so mean. Like, it just mentally destroy you as a child. Like, it's like you're afraid, you're scared. It's like you always feel like you want to hide. You don't want nobody see you. And when me I go shop.
Country people, as a country people stay, and people from down in the country, them mustering, them love muster, yeah.
You see, all when me I go shop, me I beg God for no see them. Me no want, me I hope to God like, no, I prefer go shop when me know say them not dep on the road and them something there. I mean, I tell you, it did mentally destroy me. It is mentally, me always, like, every single day, me get up, me used to fret panic. Every single day. Yeah, nobody no call me son when me get big and mature and have kids yet.
No, not them time. I thought when the name is dep on you, it eventually come off for you.
Come on for me, where? And when me big and big girl in my teens, then still I call me so. Never come. I will mean I'm teens. Them call me bulb, you hear them big. They call me boom. They call me all kind of name, so man.
All of them name they in one. The pop name and them, all of them bulb and easy.
They call me all kind of name, I tell you. When they see me, boom. It's like them just literally fatigue me and try to, you know. And you know. They call me boom.
When
them call me ears. Them call me some sitting.
And our name stick on you, you know.
Because you're afraid of them.
When you're afraid of them, you stick
afraid of them. Me afraid of them. I'm not telling like because I'm not used to it.
You know much name they call me? And none never stick. I'm just answer to everything and just laugh. All of them are laugh.
Me never know. Me never know. Because me is a little pitney where used to live at Kingston. I'm just coming out the country. Me never in a them environment there. You understand? So, me never used to have nobody call me name when me there at Kingston and them something. So, me just come a country come live and them just start to, you know, put name on it and me used to cry. And when me cry, at that time them call me, yo. And sometimes say me I go just stand firm and stop make them, you know, getting to me like that. Me couldn't help it. Me used to want to hide in a bush and them something.
I bet them try paste name for me. But the last day them try paste for me. This is when me a big man and I work. When I work down on the wharf. We virgin them. I remember what was the discussion and I tell them say, I don't wear underpants, I brief me wear. And the man then start laugh after me. I never really used to wear underpants. Brief me used to wear. And the man then start laugh after me and say, big man I wear brief. I remember one particular one said to me, a G-string you wear, man, a G-string. G-string you wear. And from that, everybody call me G-string. My brethren them call me G-string, you know? G-string. And I answer to it and I laugh with them and them way. I laugh with them. So, you know, stick. If me did ever bend up my face and go, and go like, you know, and give them the upper hand, you'd have to hide. Because the name is not a nice name, you know. You can't look on the man and call him G-string.
Yeah,
up to the day, you know, the brethren will come up with the name, he may still call me so, you know. up to the day. And, oh, that G-string? I said, what going? Yeah, deal with. You know, me no bother, we just, you know, just laugh about it and just accept it. And it no stick.
Yo,
No flicker name, but that name there the last nickname I get.
because you see, you know them something there.
I never really know, you know, honestly. And I'm like saying I know, you know. But me just have a style where me just conquer things a different way. Like,
and make things better, yeah.
Yeah, me not really make things bad. Me just certain things. And you know, so them they used to say lack of basical, but at the lack of basical used to make me go through with enough things because me just not take certain things serious.
Right.
Me just take certain things, me just take it with a smile but don't mess with me doing. Don't put me on the wrong side, you know. I make the script. And I make the script flip. Different level.
Don't make the switch flip.
The script flip.
I feel
Flip the script.
Yo.
I tell you.
Traumatized. And even me used to go primary school. You have some youth. 2 youth. We used to pick for me, and a girl we used to pick for me. She used to live over Copen. She used to pick for me, no man. I mean, I tell you, no.
Copen, a place in so?
Yeah, one place at Frankfield, across from Frankfield, named Copen. And she used to text it for me, no man. And
if you say you are getting place the name, you know.
No man, Copen.
You call some name of some place down there. I wonder if you are getting place the name.
No, I call it the name Copen for real.
Place your name Copen. Yo, where you live? I live at Copen. That sounds good.
Oh my God.
Copen.
So,
tell him a pick pen though.
I don't know. I never hear about it. Never hear about them places.
A good pen. Good half pen.
Of course. So, over there, so now, you know, the girl always a pick for me, you know. Yo, I mean, I tell her, say, them time them shy, you know, when me say shy, I tell her, me shy. And, yo, Keisha, my auntie, buck her up on Lampard Road, you know, over Old Road one day, rain a fall, you know. And I tell my auntie, you know, because me and her used to go to school, me and Keisha. And at the same time, nobody can touch Keisha. Keisha a rebel. She know the thing. She know the road. She know everything. And the time I knew in the place, so I don't really know. I never used to in the kind of bully environment where people bully me, you know, or bad me up or them something there, whichever. So, in the even when school over, you know, man, and she walk, cause rain come down, you know, so she can't walk over the river for go over, cause you have to traffic cross the river. So she walk a old road which part we walk go home. And I say when Keisha catch her, Keisha say, hey girl, Keisha go up in her face and say, hey girl, where you trouble me niece, sir? Where you trouble me niece, sir? And she say, so what you can do about that? Keisha fling her down and say, come here, Dana, come here. Go on her. Immediately stand up, sir, now, and say, what me see if you do? Gonna need her like flour. That time I say, no sir, me not do it. I just stand up so you know like some little idiot.
So she need her like flour.
So she said,
she say if I can beat her up.
Yeah, she said if I can beat her up. Me there saw and she can't do nothing, and I never, she alone did it, she have her friends them they need it too. I say, she can't do nothing, go need her, go down pan her. You want to see me go down pan her and I push her in the Alright, so now I start getting my strength and kind of, because I never fight before, I never in them kind of altercation here before. I rub her in the dirt and when you look at all her white blouse, dirty like mud and full of mud. Keisha, yo, me I tell you, panic ground, should the panic ground. Yeah, man. Keisha mash her up, man. From that, never again that girl ever trouble me. Never. And Dennis, the one, even Dennis I come from with the boy them now. Them always walk together and them always a trouble me run up school, you know. And Dennis grab one of them one even and give him some liquor. A new road, Lampard Road, the other side. The girl get beaten on Old Road and the boy get beaten on the new road. And from that, none of them go tell them friend on a school about my family them. Direct drape up one out of Frankfield one day and say, if You better go tell your friend them if you ever put back your hand on her again, because them used to be protective of me on the road when me dey on the road. But when me alone dey on the road, always Freddy. Always. But yeah. Guys, trauma. Me I tell you, as a child.
I get up.
Alright, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and share it if you care.
And subscribe. I get up.
Alright, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and share it if you care.
And subscribe.
Sleepy face. Oh my gosh. Oh, you do that? Look down by your nose. Alright, guys. So today we are going to do a video talk about childhood trauma. And it might be a long video, so we're maybe gonna split up this video and let you know what happened to us as a child. So stick around and we'll be right back.